Welcome to Pro-Gyan Classes, where education meets excellence.
At Pro-Gyan Classes, we believe in empowering minds and unlocking potential.
Are you confused about what to study and how to start?
Then, don't worry, you're not alone. Here we will help you to achieve your goals. Our expert faculty, equipped with years of experience, is dedicated to providing personalized attention and fostering a positive learning environment. Whether you're gearing up for exams, aiming for academic excellence, or seeking professional development, we've got you covered. We will help you to improve your weak points. We provide recorded classes daily for everyone. Your success is our success. Join us today and get one step closer to your desired goal. Call us today.